Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on the time at which you are watching this tutorial. Welcome to yet another interesting tutorial on your favorite YouTube channel, Toraba Business School. And on today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to use our online learning platform. So all you need to do is to navigate to your favorite browser and launch it. So I'll be using Safari browser for this particular tutorial. And on this particular page, if it is your first time, what you need to do is to create an account, else you log into an existing account. So I will just consider you to be your first time visiting this particular platform. So click on register below the login button. So once you click on that, it will ask you to enter your full name, your email address, your phone number, your password, and you confirm password. Then you agree to our terms and conditions. So here I'll be using student demo. The email is studentdemo@gmail.com. So this is the email I will be using, demo@gmail.com. While the phone number, you can ensure you use a valid phone number, okay, in case the support team would like to contact you afterwards. Alright, so I'll write a phone number. Okay, so let's say this is my phone number. So you type your password. Ensure you type your password. Then you agree to our term of service. Then you click register. Once registration is successful, you will be redirected to the dashboard where you can unlock the power of seamless learning with our cutting-edge training and learning system, which is proudly designed for you. Okay, on this particular page, you will be able to see that your balance is 0 naira, the total spend is 0, certificate 0, course in progress 0, course purchase 0, completed course is 0. And then you have one batch acquired for you. You can keep acquiring much of this batch as time goes on, but for now you only have one batch. Okay, so you're going to see 3 horizontal lines. Once you click on it, you should be able to see your name. You should be able to navigate to the dashboard, my courses, my queries, and so on and so forth. Alright, so all these are currently empty because you don't have any course available. Your live classes, all of them are all empty. You don't have any available purchase history. You don't have any certificates. You don't have any. Alright, so what do we do? First of all, you need to go to your account and complete your profile. You need to enter your billing address and so on and so forth. So how do we navigate to the profile? So all you need to do is to click on the humanized icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then click on account settings. So once you click on account settings, you go down, you're going to see basic information. So here you have the email that you use, the phone number, and then you can add your identification number, your NIN. Then you can select your currency. So the currency here is Naira. So you go with Naira, and then you should be able to select your language, your preferred language. You can select either Arabic, English, and so on. Then your time zone, you can select, ensure you select anything that you know it's suitable for your own location. Make sure you choose that which is suitable for your own location. So for now, I will be going with this Europe. Okay, so I click save it. Alright, so that has been saved. If you want to change your password, you can actually change your password here. If you want to add an image, profile picture, you can add it here. If you want to write something about you, you can write here. Alright, so it is saved. You can see it is saved. Now experience, some of the experience you have, you can add them. Then your skill, you can add your skill. You can also add your accounts, your financial status, Then extra information, this is where it's very important. You select your gender, male. You select your date of birth. Make sure you select your correct date of birth. Let's go back. Let's go to 90s. So this is 1930, June 10. Okay, so your country is Nigeria. Then your states, you can select any state of your choice. But then we'll be selecting Kano. Then the city, I will be selecting Dawakin Tofa, or you can actually go with Fagye, which is mine, not yours. Now your zip code, you can insert your zip code. It's actually a 6-digit number, and your address is number 30 France Road, Fagye, LGA, Kano State, Nigeria. Alright, so I'll save it. It is saved, so you can also upload your identity. You can also upload your social media handle. If you're not happy with this particular account, you can request for deletion here. We don't restrict our students from deleting their account. If you don't need it no more, you can actually delete. For them, we know we have lots of courses that will definitely capture your mind. So once you're done with these settings, the next thing you need to do is to head up to that same location. Then you click on my profile. Now on my profile, you should be able to see what you've edited. You can see if you've added all those ones. Education, we didn't add. Experience, we didn't add. Course, you didn't purchase any course at the moment. Then about, you can see the about us here. Alright, so you can still click on that 3 horizontal dash again. Then click on courses. Now on this particular place, you should be able to see all courses available. You can see all of them. These are all the courses available on this particular platform. You can also go to the next line. You can hit next. Alright, so once you are currently on the courses, you can select any course of your choice. Let's say I want to go with Java Programming Essential. So all I need to do is to click on Java Programming Essential, and then the instructor name is going to display the picture of the instructor and the course as well. I can go through the overview. I can also look at the curriculum. How many modules do we have? And then what are some of the lessons that the exercise I'm going to perform. So you can see all these details. You can actually go through them, so you will know a bit about it. Okay? Yeah, that's just a description. Alright, so you can also look at the instructor. You know more detail about the instructor and the courses the instructor has uploaded. So you definitely know your tutor. You can also drop a review after the course. Then you look at Q&A if you have any question. So before you ask questions, you must be enrolled to ask a question. Alright, so in order for us to enroll, all we need to do is to add this particular course to the cart, or we can actually buy it immediately. Now if I'm adding to cart means I am going to buy more than one course at a time. So but then what I want to do is I want to purchase only one course. Okay, so what I will do is just click on this buy now. Once you click on buy now, it will redirect you to this particular page where you should be able to select your states. Now this is your billing detail. Okay, so Kano, so I pick Kano, and then the city is Fagye. Okay, so house number, this is number 30 France Road, Kano State. Okay. Your zip is optional, your phone number, your email, everything will be there. So if you have any extra information you want to ask, you can actually add it here. So if you also have a copy code, you can apply, but then we don't have any coupon code. that is available for this particular course. So you can agree to our terms of services, and then you ensure that everything is filled up. You click on place an order. Now once you click on that, you will see payment methods using wallet. You click on your wallet, but then your balance is currently empty. You don't have anything on your wallet. So, and the cost purchase price is 1,150. So you can deposit first. So once you're here on the deposit page, you enter the amount. So I want to deposit 5,000. So I click on save info, and then I'll click bank payment. Now on this particular page, if I scroll down, I should be able to get the account number of the Raba Business School, where I can deposit the money by transfer, or go to any POS, pay in the money using the POS, or go to the bank, do anything. And you can use your mobile app to transfer funds, and then you pay in the amount of money. Alright, so after that is done, the next thing you need to do is to claim that yes, I was the person that paid. So what you need to do is to enter the bank name. Let's say I made transfer using OPay, and the branch is actually online banking. Account number, you make sure you enter the account number where you send the money from. So let's say this is the account number I used to send this particular money from. So the account holder's name, so the account holder's name is student demo. Then it is savings. If it is not savings, you change it to the equivalent account type. Alright, so this is it. Now the next thing is you just select the payment proof which is needed. So you can actually snap. You can also upload it directly. You can also choose from file. So let's say this I want to snap. I'll click on take photo, and then if this is actually the payment proof, I'll just snap it and then use picture. So automatically make sure you snap the equivalent receipt. Please make sure it is the equivalent receipt. This is just for demo purpose. That's why I just snapped the white space. Okay, so after everything is done, you hit payment. Once the payment is approved, your account will be credited with the amount you actually funded on your plan. Remember, I actually selected, I said, okay, I want to fund 5,000, and then I transferred 5,000 to their account, and then I send them payment proof. Automatically, once the payment proof is approved, then I will give my payment straight to my wallet so that I can continue my purchase. How will I know how to continue my purchase? You can see the card here. You click on it. You should be able to see the current cost that is waiting for you for approval. Okay, so I think once they approve this, I'm going to approve this particular payment so that we can continue with this particular session in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Alright, so you can see that my account has been funded with 5,000 naira, just the way I actually requested, and sent them payment proof, and then it was approved automatically. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to continue with my shipping. So I can click on checkout, and then here I will click. Alright, so I'll check mint again to ensure that it is yes. Okay, this is same cost. I'll click to agree to their terms and conditions. Then I'll click place an order. Alright, so use my wallet, and now in my wallet you can see I have 5,000 and the purchase price is just 1,100. So I can now say pay. Alright, so you can see that I've purchased this particular course, and then I can actually continue my tutorial. I'll click on complete this course. So once I click complete this course, I should be able to start learning immediately. Alright, so you can see.
Ever wondered what powers your favorite apps and games? Well, let me introduce you to Java, one of the most popular programming languages in the world, created way back in 1995. Java is owned by Oracle, and get this, over 3 billion devices run Java. That's right, it's everywhere.
So you must make sure you must complete. You scroll the message on the screen. You must make sure you complete all the courses before you can move to another one. So you must finish all the courses first before you can go to another one. Alright, so please we can also start from the beginning. So if you want to ask question and answer, you can ask any question of your choice and you submit, it will be answered. Now you can also leave a rating. Let's say I want to give them 5 stars. A wonderful course. You click submit. So that is how to use the platform to purchase a course, register, and then to continue learning on a daily basis. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Until I come your way again with another mind-blowing tutorial. From here is goodbye.